breakfast time. Close the door. I'm not dressed yet. What the? You come in here every day grabbing eggs like I'm your personal chicken. You're a fridge. You're not supposed to talk. You weren't supposed to eat 17 slices of cheese last night, but here we are. Okay, I'm definitely dreaming. Oh, you're awake. This is your guilt talking, and me? I'm Wi-Fi enabled now. Deal with it. Can I just have some milk? It's almond milk. Respect its journey. When your fridge knows too much,